of returns can we expect from mid and flexi-cap funds? Can we expect a better return? We have financial expert Mr. Anunay Kumar with us. He will guide us through. Anunay Kumar, the screen is yours.
First of all, very difficult to put a number on what kind of returns should we be looking at. Why it is very difficult to put a number? Because market it's no one's slave. We have also shown you there are times when people, if they have been smart in putting the money, they actually have made 40% over 5 years. You're talking about 18 only. But there's also a scenario where people actually have made just 4% return if they have not been able to act smartly. So, more than getting your decisions governed with a magical number of 18, 16, 14, or whatever, let's talk about and understand what are the alternatives that you have. And the alternatives that you have with respect to liquidity, transparency, and tax efficiency. So, if you are not in the capital market, you are into what? Traditional ways of investing, which is your fixed deposits, gold, property, and so on and so forth. Now tell me, let's go into understand the transparencies that you have in the capital market and the transparency that you have in any other asset classes. Or the returns, at least you can talk about 13 to 14% kind of a return at an average if you are stable and committed in the market rather than trying to be speculative. So my take is asset allocation is the key.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.